Welcome to day 4 of your challenge. You're over halfway, and if you've been consistent, you're already feeling it. Clearer head, less bloating, fewer cravings. But there's one trap that still gets people every single day, and that's the afternoon crash. You know the one? That afternoon slump when your energy crashes, your brain fog rolls in, and your cravings hit like a freight train. So what do most people reach for? A healthy granola bar, a rice cake, some crackers, a low-fat yogurt, maybe even fruit. Big mistake. These snack carbs might look light, but they spike your blood sugar just enough to trigger the crash that comes an hour later. And with that crash comes irritability, mood swings, and cravings for more sugar to lift you back up. It's a vicious cycle, especially for midlife women already dealing with hormonal shifts. Fluctuating glucose, and add to that fluctuating estrogen. That equals an emotional roller coaster your body cannot afford. But here's what does work. Protein. Protein calms the blood sugar. It stabilizes your energy and it supports your hormones instead of spiking them. Your day 4 mission is simple. Replace your usual afternoon snack with a protein-based option. And that could be a boiled egg, a piece of cheese, biltong, a handful of nuts, Greek yogurt, unsweetened of course, full fat. Post your 3 p.m. snack swap in your online community and check out today's download, the Midlife Snack Survival Guide, packed with easy, blood sugar friendly snack ideas. This is how you stop the crash. This is how you take control of your cravings and your mood. It's not about willpower, it's about the fuel that works with your biology. You're getting stronger, smarter, more in control. No more bullshit. You're waking up.